2024 is here, and this is the opportunity you have to be able to meet those financial goals you weren't able to meet in 2023. So in this video, I'm going to share with you AI side hustles that you can start. These side hustles actually work, and you can start them with $0. And the best part is number 4 of these side hustles I'm going to share can actually make you a millionaire by the end of this year if you're very much serious and consistent with everything I'm going to share on these videos. And when it comes to AI, everything is made easy. So if you want to make 2024 the best year of your life, you might want to watch this video to the very end. So the first side hustle is called transcription and proofreading. And if you come to Fiverr, an average proofreader charges like from 15 euros to 5 euros on the average. And if you're looking for a premium service, the prices are different. So you can sign up to this website to get started, and they are all completely for free. Now, for those that don't know, proofreading is just you reading articles that you have already written, to check for grammatical errors and mistakes. So to proofread, you can use this AI tool called Quillbot to proofread. All you have to do is just to paste whatever document you have, and it's going to proofread it for you. So this document is quite good, and it says you are good to go, so I don't need to worry about anything. So going forward to the next one, which is transcription. If you come to Fiverr, an average transcriptionist charges $5 on the average, and you can see a lot of people are offering these services here on Fiverr. So you can use AI to do this job. Just go to this AI called auto.ai. It has a free version and the business version that is not completely for free, though you can try it for free for 7 days, and you can use it to transcribe in real time. You can also use it for Zoom meetings and to capture your slides automatically. So it's a very simple way and the fastest way to transcribe your document. Now, to get started, you click here where it says get started, and then you fill out the form and start for free. The rating about these two side hustle for me is on the ease of doing it is a 7/10, because with AI you can actually easily do it, and if you can read and write, you can actually easily make some corrections. That is if AI is not 100% accurate. And of course, the potential of making money, I'll give it a 4/10. This is because a lot of people are doing this, and you have to stand out with your work to be able to beat the competition that are around doing this. And of course, you can also check some other websites like proofreadingservices.com. This is where you can find proofreading jobs from people that can actually pay you once you get the job done. Another place where you can find transcription job is rev.com and Transcribie. There are lots of websites out there where you can actually find transcription jobs, and once you are accepted, you can do it and earn extra money aside from Fiverr. Now, the second side hustle is called blogging. Now, according to indeed.com, an average blogger makes around $64,846 per year. Now, this can be higher or lower depending on how much work you put in as a blogger, because there are different ways you can make money as a blogger. Aside the monetization on the platforms like Google and the ads that are placed into your blog, there are also consultations and other things you can do for people to be able to make money as a blogger. Now, you can actually write any article with the help of AI. Everybody knows how good and efficient ChatGPT is. You can leverage the service of ChatGPT and use it to come up with articles. There are other AI tools like SEOwriting.ai you can actually use. There are Writersonic you can actually use, and Writer too, which you can actually use to come up with quality blog posts that you can post on platforms like medium.com. There are also platforms like blogger.com, which can help you host your blog completely for free. You can also write your blog on LinkedIn. People don't know that LinkedIn is a great place to write blog and make money off of it. You can incorporate affiliate links to your blog so that people can click and take action, and then you earn some commissions through the affiliate links that you have placed on your blog. To show you that a lot of bloggers use AI too, so that you don't get discouraged and their blogs rank on Google. Let's take this one for example. Try and copy some part of this blog and run it through an AI tool and check if it was written by AI or not. You click here where it says check for AI. Now you see it says your content is dictated as written by AI. This is to show you that most bloggers use AI to write their articles and they still rank on Google. So you see how much you can make using AI to write your blog, and you are going to get ranked on Google too. Now, rating this, how easy to do it, I'll give it an 8 over 10 because AI can just write your blog for you and you just post it, and that is all that is needed. Now, potential to make money, I would give this an 8 over 10 too, because you can easily make money once your blog start getting traffic. Like once people start reading your blog, what it means is that you have to write engaging blogs about what people are searching for. And if you want me to make detailed video about how you can start blogging, including how you can look for niche, how you can look for keywords and everything, let me know about that in the comment section so that I can make a detailed video about blogging for you so that you know where to get started. Third side hustle is called logo designing. Now, if you come to Fiverr also, you see that an average designer here on Fiverr charges from 15 euros to 19 euros to be able to create just one logo for their client. Now, this is a very great way to make money on the side. And the best part, like I said, with AI, you don't really need to stress yourself about anything. All you have to do is just to give AI the instruction and it will design a logo for you. Now, to make a logo with AI, all you have to do is just to enter your business or what you have in mind to design. Take for instance, if I want to design a logo about a coffee shop, I can say something like coffee hub and click where it says make a logo. Enter your slogan. Once that opens, you're going to see tons of designs you can actually choose from. The best one you think that suits what you have in mind is the one you're going to choose. Now, if you want to learn more about how to make money with logo, you might want to check out this video on my channel. Now, rating this on the ease of doing, I would give it a 6 over 10. Now, this is because you need some designing skills to be able to put in the effort, like to make something that can appeal to your clients or even make modifications to any suggestion that AI gives you. Now, on the potential to make money with this, I'll give it a 5 over 10. This is because their competition is quite high and it's something that people can get from anywhere. So it's something that you have to be really very good at before you be able to make a substantial amount of money from doing this. Now, moving on, the fourth AI side hustle I would love to talk about is called content creation. Now, this is broad, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be talking about the visual content creation. Now, with AI, you don't need to worry about creating content you can post on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, or even Pinterest. Now, you know that people are making faceless channels and they're making a lot of money. Take for instance, if you go to YouTube, this channel is making top 10 videos about anything at all. Now, you can actually create these videos yourself using InVideo. Now, if you check this channel up on Social Blade, you can see that they make approximately 925 to 14,000 euros in a month, and they have a lot of views and subscribers. So you can recreate this thing and make money off of it. Social media is something that is very much sure that once you put the work, you make money off of it, because this is my best AI side hustle. Now, to make a video, all you have to do is just to sign up to this free AI video editor InVideo. This is going to generate everything you need, the scripts, the visuals, the audio, everything you need to make a short video or even a long form video. However, there are some of the packages that are paid and there are some that are for free, so you have to have this in mind before you get started with InVideo. You can also check other online video editing softwares like Capwing, Synthesia, Synthesis. There are two different things that you can actually use to create videos using the help of AI. Now, we know that YouTube pays a lot of money once you're able to get to the payment threshold. We also know that Facebook, once you have 10,000 followers and 60,000 watch hour, you'll be able to get monetized and start making money. And recently, TikTok just launched their creativity program where creators get paid for videos that are above 60 seconds long. So this is a very great way for you to make money, and it is 100% sure that once you get to the threshold, you'll be able to make money off of these platforms. And aside making money from the views and the ads that are added to your content, you can actually sell things and incorporate affiliate links to your content. And once people make purchase with your affiliate link, you earn some commission, which is another way. And of course, brands can reach out to you for promotion of their products, and these are ways you can actually make money. So this is a 10 over 10 if you ask me, based on the rating, on the potential to make money off of this side hustle. I will rate it a 10 over 10, and the ease of doing, and I'll give it a 7 over 10. This is because it requires a lot of determination, consistency, and persistence, because a lot of people don't have the patience to be able to get to this threshold. So this side hustle is not really meant for everyone, but if you're determined, you can get to the threshold and you start making money. Now, the fifth side hustle is Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now, for those that don't know, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's service and products, and then you earn commission once people use your promotional link or codes to make purchase of the product you're promoting. Now, this one is the easiest because Pinterest is a platform just like a social media platform like TikTok, where you can post videos and pictures, and people react by following, just like every other social media platform. Now, the best part about this platform is that you can reach a lot of people within a short period of time once you're consistent with posting and, being active on the platforms. And as you can see, there are a lot of videos here by people, and once you click one, you would discover that they have affiliate links that they have incorporated. Some will direct you to a blog. Once you read, you see affiliate links on the blog which you can click, and once you are interested, you make purchase with the affiliate links. The people that post these videos earn money. Now, a lot of people have made lots of money by just using this platform, especially when you're talking about finance, personal growth, travel, and self-development. People are very much interested in these niches and they tend to appreciate content on these niches. Now, if you want me to make a detailed video about how to get started up on Pinterest, you can comment that on the comment section. Now, if you want to learn more on every other thing I've talked about, you might want to subscribe to my channel, so that you get every video from me once I make them and you won't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you. Now, when it comes to rating this side hustle, on the ease of doing it, I will give it an 8/10. This is because there is a strategy where you can actually make a post without creating any video showing your face or even designing anything. And these are some of the things I'm going to teach. If you let me know if you're interested in the comment section. Now, the potential to make money, I'll give this a 6/10. This is because you have to really work hard to get people to click on your affiliate link and buy from you. So this is not something you can just relax and do without having to stress yourself a bit. The last side hustle for this video is called video editing. Now, if you go to Fiverr again, you're going to see that an average video editor is charging from 48 euros to 19 euros, for an hour to be able to edit a video for anybody. Now, you can see that this is a very lucrative thing to do to make money on the side. You can actually do this with AI tool. AI tool like Capwing can help you edit your videos, just using the help of AI. All you just have to do is to click here where it says edit. You upload the video you want to edit, and then it will run everything for you. Aside this Capwing, you can actually use CapCut, because CapCut has AI incorporated in it to help you create a great video with ease. And the best part about CapCut is it is very much beginners friendly. So even if you don't have the best of skills as a video editor, you can actually learn and grow over time using CapCut. Now, the ease of doing this side hustle is a 4/10. This is because you have to have some editing skill, because AI will not give you a great job like that. It will be 100% accurate. So you have to be able to have the editing skill to be able to make some corrections where necessary and modify your videos to give your clients the best. And the potential to make money with this is an 8/10. This is because video editors earn a lot of money because it's time consuming and you need to put in a lot of creativity to give your clients the best. So this is why this side hustle can actually pay you well. Now, when it comes to video editing, you also can tell that people are looking for video editors, given that everybody is making money from social media and there is need for video editors to help us, knowing how time consuming it is to edit videos. So this side hustle is a very lucrative thing for anyone who is willing to make it work for them and make money off of it. Everybody has Facebook, and we don't really know that we can actually make money using Facebook. And if you want to learn more, you might want to check out this video, and also check out the videos on my YouTube channel. So don't just watch this video for entertainment's sake. You might want to take action so that you'll be able to meet that your money making goal for 2024. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.